Hello, I want to say hello to the entire Aggie community. Today is a special day because I'm here with some special students at the Aggie Source. And this whole operation is about helping students with food, with clothing. It's about needs. It's a great way to serve the community. Our students are doing a great job because our university is about the service of others, especially as a land-grant university. That is what we represent. But A&T students go above and beyond when it comes to service, and it's a great way to serve your community. And so speaking of service, on Thursday, the 23rd of April, we're going to have a special day to honor a native son of our university, the Reverend Jesse Jackson, who we lost recently. And we're going to dedicate a day of service to him. And to honor him, we want everyone in our university, our professional staff, our faculty, our students, to serve on that particular day. It represents not only what we believe, but it's a great way to honor his life and his legacy. We're going to do more things to honor him, but we also are going to make sure that day is a day that stimulates in us what we're about. We're going to continue to serve the community, and we're going to do it in his name as we continue to honor him throughout the year. Let me also say, the best part of a university is we create new knowledge and we inspire learning that makes our world better. And that begins with service. And there's nobody to do it better than that, than the Aggies at A&T. That's what constitutes Aggie pride, and that's what constitutes the basis of our university. So get out there and serve on the 23rd of April and every day. That's what it takes to be the best. And that's what this university represents.